all about rice water, the pros, the cons. Does it really work? And guys, I'll be brutally honest with you, so you don't want to miss that. Hi and welcome back to my channel, New Growth Naturals. My name is Samantha. I am a natural hair specialist. I specialize in natural hair care and natural hairstyles. So in this video, I'll be talking about rice water, the pros, the cons, does it really work, and all the science behind it. You don't want to miss out on that. By the way, if you are new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and also select that notification bell because I upload videos twice per week. And also currently I'm doing a lessons series in how to grow and retain your type 4 hair or whatever texture you have. You may want to join into that series, so go ahead and subscribe below. With all that said, let's jump into the fact. All over YouTube, there are claims that rice water gives fast hair growth. Some YouTubers even claim that this happened within a week. But is that true? Before I get into the facts, I need for you to comment below if you have ever used rice water and what were your results. Did you achieve any growth at all? What were the setbacks that you've had? Or also let me know if you're thinking about using rice water to achieve hair growth results. With that said, let's go right into it because I am all fired up for this topic because a lot of persons have been commenting on my videos asking me about this rice water. Personally, I am going to give you all the information that is out there, all the scientific information as well, and from a natural hair specialist perspective. So let's do this. If you're wondering what rice water is, this is the starchy water left over after rice is cooked or left to soak. It is thought to make the hair smooth and shiny as well as help it grow faster. Rice water contains inositol, a carbohydrate that repairs damaged hair. This inositol stays in the hair even after the rice water is rinsed off, acting as a shield and protecting your hair from damage. Rice water also contains amino acids and strengthens the hair. Now here are some of the pros and the cons to consider when using rice water. Do you guys notice how much my face has been breaking out? Let me know if there's anything that I could use for this. I'm getting frustrated. I've been trying so many different things. Let me know in the comment section if you had this experience or what works for this. Anyway, let's get into what you came here for. In short, let me say this. Rice water does not let your hair grow any faster. Did you hear me? Let me say it louder. Rice water doesn't make your hair grow faster, okay? That's done. Before y'all start stoning me in the comment section, let me explain what that means. So, rice water prevents your hair from breaking as much as how it used to. For example, the protein and the starch in the rice water coats your strands and that tends to strengthen the strand, hence preventing breakage. You're preventing breakage, hence you're retaining length. So it's not that your hair is growing any faster from your scalp. It's just that you're retaining the length that you already have plus the hair that is already growing out of your scalp. Here's what I want you to consider. Rice water is a protein treatment. Rice can contain up to 16% of protein. So if you're like myself that has protein sensitive hair, you want to limit the amount of rice or protein products that you put on your hair. And rice water, you don't want to mess with that for more than twice per month or at least once per month. All these YouTube videos that you're seeing, oh, I'm doing a rice water challenge and I'm getting how many inches for the week. I've done it for 5 days and I've gotten lies. I'm being serious, they're lies. I'm telling you, rice water does not cause your hair to grow any faster, sorry to say, but it is good for length retention in that, as I said before, it coats your hair, it strengthens your strands, preventing breakage. That's a good quality of rice water. It also adds elasticity to your hair, so your hair, what that means that your hair is able to stretch more without popping. It also adds sheen to your hair because of the nutrients that are in the rice water. But like I said before, not growth. Protein molecules in rice is not easily absorbed by your hair, so instead of going into your strand, they form a barrier around your strand, and that is why you tend to have that great length retention. So while that is great for length retention, if you have low porosity hair, that may be a very bad thing. So you want to limit the amount of rice water that you use on your hair if you have low porosity hair, because it's going to make your hair hard, and instead of retaining length, it is going to start breaking. Rice water is awesome for persons with high porosity hair. Here's why. When you have high porosity hair, your cuticles are opened much further apart, and because of that your hair strand absorb moisture easily and it loses that moisture as easily. So you want to ensure that you do a lot of protein treatment to form a barrier over your strand after absorbing all that moisture, to seal that moisture in your hair. So you may want to increase the amount of rice water treatments you do if you have high porosity hair, but still be careful, because if you have protein sensitive hair, you don't want to overdo this and you don't want your hair to break. Regardless of your hair's porosity, different strokes for different folks. Not everything is going to work for you, and you need to understand that. I am very skeptical about a lot of things that I see on YouTube, because maybe because I am educated where hair is concerned and I know the facts on certain things. I am not going to tell you, this is going to grow your hair fast and this is going to happen overnight and my hair grew within 1 week time of using this treatment. That's just going to be lies. And I'm not going to tell you that to get views. But what I can tell you is that consistency is the key to length retention. If you're deep conditioning your hair, you're doing your protective style, you're being gentle, sleeping in a satin bonnet at night, you're drinking enough water, you're having a nutritious diet, you're relaxing, you're not stressing so much, you're ensuring that you're intaking the right vitamins and all that good stuff, and stimulating blood flow to your follicles, moisturizing and sealing your hair properly, it is guaranteed that over time you will retain your hair length, and that's the good thing. But I don't want you to come to my channel with the notion that, oh, I'm going to give you a magical treatment and all of a sudden your hair is going to grow long. Nothing goes like that. It's not going to happen. But I do promise you, if you're consistent in following the information that I'm giving to you, you will see a great change in your hair, or great changes in your hair, and you'll thank me later. And that's it for this video. Comment below. Let me know if you have tried rice water, any of these recipes, any of these methods. Let me know, because I haven't tried it, because I'm skeptical, because I know all the pros and the cons, and most of the cons are against me. So I don't want to experiment with my hair. No, I know what works for my hair already, and I'm not in any rush to grow it any faster than it's already growing. I just want to retain the length, and that's already happening for me. If you are using rice water and you retain a lot of length, fine, continue to use it. If you have not used it before, consider all the things that I've stated in this video, and guess what? If you have been using rice water and recognize that you have a lot of length retention, like I said before, it's not growing any faster. It's not breaking off so much, so you're retaining all the length that you have grown. Till next time, don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, like, comment, and share my videos. God bless. Here's your inspiration for today. He which sows sparingly shall reap also sparingly, and he which sows bountifully shall reap also bountifully. 2 Corinthians 9 verse 6.